Hey guys, Robert here from Arlington Motorsports in Arlington, Texas. I want to take a minute today to show you a couple of new units we just got in. So this is the new Yamaha Wolverine X2 XTR edition. So this thing's pretty cool from the factory. Comes with the top. It's already got the winch on it down there, upgraded tires and wheels on it. Fun little machine. If you're looking for a good Wolverine, this is the one you want. Maybe you need to haul the family. We got a 4-seater also, Wolverine X4. We've got the Viking 3-seater. Pretty cool hunting, farm, ranch, utility machine. Got your dump bed, some Suzuki King quads. We got Polaris Sportsmans, Yamaha ATVs. We also have the new Mahindra ROXOR. If you haven't checked this thing out, this comes in a manual or an automatic transmission, but the cool thing is, it's a turbo diesel. This thing's got a diesel motor in it. Gotta come check this one out.
Hola, soy Rosa.
Y yo soy Victoria.
Estamos aquí para ayudarlo con financiamiento.
Para aplicar puede aplicar en línea en www.arlingtonmotorsports.com o visitarnos también en la tienda.
Venga a vernos.